Janmie Glass Products Company Limited was established in 2016. It is an industry and trade integration company specializing in the production and processing of customized glassware, glass instruments, glass bottles, bottle caps, glass handicrafts, and other products. Our company uses the most advanced equipment and technology to produce products. We have 5 glass processing workshops, which can carry out deep processing of glass products such as decals, printing, sandblasting, engraving, gold drawing, and color spraying. Currently, our products are mainly made of high borosilicate glass, clear glass, extra clear glass, and crystal glass. Borosilicate glass products are household glass and high-temperature glass products, with a temperature tolerance of more than 20 degrees, which is the leader. We have a group of experienced and skilled professional technicians and sales staff, forming a professional, highly educated, and younger workforce. The products sell well in the world market and are exported to more than 20 countries and regions, such as the United States, Africa, Europe, and Southeast Asia. Our R&D department provides strong technical support, which enables us to accept some OEM/ODM projects. We can produce at least 30,000 glasses per day. We are a reliable supplier of glass products. Welcome friends from home and abroad to visit our factory. We will provide you with high-quality products, the best price and service. And we look forward to more cooperation.